Hi there, Susan from D'Souza Art. This is one of my 5 and 5 series. That's 5 different paint pouring techniques using 5 colours only, but all the same pouring medium. And that is a pouring medium that I make myself. Today I'm going to do a wandering kiss pour. For this technique I'm going to be using 2 cups, 2 small cups. I think these are shot glasses, shot cups. Just little paper ones, because it's only a small canvas. And I'll be using the 5 colours, but what's a little bit different about this one is that I do a flood coat first, and you can probably guess I'm going to be using my blue as that flood coat. So let's get that down. Now, because I scraped this paint and put it all back into my cup, I'm going to have to clean my palette knife because it's going to be a slightly different blue to what I used before. Let's get those cups out of the way for now. So this blue, as it turns out, is a mix of the blue I started with, but also my green, white, gold and turquoise, because I recycled the paint. So it's got a bit of glitter and shine to it, which is quite nice. If I could just get all these little lumps out, paint lumps. Just pushing it towards the edges too, so that my sides are covered. One of the things that I can see is that, oh, another lump, is that it certainly is a different shade of blue to the previous pour that I did. Alright, we'll give that a torch and then we'll give it a quick spin just to try and even out the surface. The torching pops any of the air bubbles. Okay, so the 2 cups. 1 cup has the base coat in it. Is that another lump? I think it is. Okay, so 1 cup has the base coat. And the other cup has the colours. Now, lucky for me, this doesn't need too much paint because I don't have very much left. So I'm going to start with my green. I really love this colour. Then the turquoise. The gold. And the white. Now I'm going to be careful with my white because I do know that there are a few lumps in this, so okay. And I'm going to use one final layer of the green because it's so pretty. Okay, so the wandering kiss pour. It's important which way you put your cups. So what we want to do is we want to have the base coat colour going in the direction that we're travelling in. that's what's going to give us the colour in the middle. If you do it the reverse, you end up with your base colour in the middle and your colours on the outside. If that's the look you're going for, that's fine. So I'm going to start about here, and then we're going to move it down. So we want to get the paint to the edges of the cups, and then now stopping is the difficulty, and as you can see, I've just had a little splush, which we'll try and fix up. Okay. So what we can do now is we can grab a skewer stick and we can start at the top. And basically turn this piece into a beautiful feather. So if we just move it side to side a little, we'll open that out. I'm also going to give it just a small spin. Now, if you want, you can embellish the sides a little bit more, just to give it a little bit more depth. And we'll give it a quick torch. Just going to break that blue up a little bit. I'm not quite fond of this big green streak here. So, same with that white one. Okay. Some of my edges are just showing a little bit of the canvas still through it, so I'm just going to pour a little bit of that remaining blue Okay, that's looking good. And I think we'll call that done.